and last, where the second accused person, while armed with a pistol, robbed Philip Major the sum of 7,000 and an identification card. This is the court's analysis and determination. It is settled law that prosecution bears the burden to prove the charge is beyond any reasonable doubt, and this burden are not shifts and remains the same throughout the trial. This principle is adopted from the decision of Fiscon Sankey, Lord Justice, the case of Wilmington versus DPP, and also the decision of Lord Denning in Miller versus Means of Pensions. These two decisions are often quoted by our superior courts. A case in example is the case of Stephen Nguli Mulili versus the Republic at 2014 AKR. Notice of receiving a bribe was complete. That's for count number 2. A matter of concern with this court, before departing that count, and the thing which is interrelated and a lesson to be learned by officers, is the decision and or instruction of the first accused person to arrest and hold Kuma in the general office, also referred as the common office within the DC office. This court takes judicial notice of cases of unlawful detention, torture,
na